Welcome to your ideal journey. Give up constraints and embrace independence. A new age of road trip adventure will begin in 2026 when our perspective of recreational vehicles changes. Presenting the 2026 Mazda Motorhome. In contrast to the little convertibles we are used to, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a statement of design and functionality. Its bigger van foundation than the previous Bongo gives it additional inside space while maintaining Mazda's well-known agility. Its elegantly integrated Mazda grille, modern flowing lines, and clever adaptive LED headlights provide the exterior design a subtle yet striking Kodo soul of motion style that powerfully conveys a sense of luxury everywhere. Under the hood, Mazda has demonstrated initiative by providing two distinct powertrain options. First of all, its powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gasoline engine, which offers the best performance and efficiency balance, makes it appropriate for a variety of terrains. Those who need optimum efficiency and a minimal carbon footprint can also choose the more advanced plug-in hybrid (PHEV) version. It offers pure electric cruising for eco-friendly outings and an incredible range for long journeys by combining an economical gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor and large-capacity battery. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome welcomes you with a blend of design and technology. The excellent ergonomic design of the dashboard makes it easy for the driver to reach all of the features. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with wireless smartphone access, real-time navigation, and simple control over all RV amenities is housed in the command center, which has a sweeping panoramic display. Behind it, an easily adjustable electronic instrument cluster displays critical trip data in modern, easily understood images. The opulent and serene cabin atmosphere, which is enhanced by natural wood accents, soft-touch fabrics, and adjustable ambient lighting, makes every mile of travel more enjoyable. The inside of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome represents the pinnacle of versatility in terms of living space. The modular design allows you to easily transition between a small dining space for eating and a big living room for relaxing and socializing. Large panoramic windows that let in an abundance of natural light and offer stunning views of any area you choose surround this space. A built-in foldable dining table makes the most of available space by tucking away when not in use, and high-quality leather seats can be bent and adjusted. This is not just a vehicle. It is a mobile living space designed to promote coziness and camaraderie. Ultimately, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome turns into a tranquil haven. The sleeping area is designed to provide the most comfortable sleep possible after an exhilarating day of exploration. To ensure a restful night's sleep, a high-quality orthopedic mattress is placed on a queen or king-size bed, depending on the design. The soothing ambient lighting and heavy blackout drapes create the perfect atmosphere for relaxing. Thanks to an integrated closet and underbed storage drawers, the interior is maintained neat and organized with enough of space for all of your personal possessions. When you wake up, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to tackle new challenges. Even when you're in the middle of a forest, you don't have to sacrifice comfort. The bathroom of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is the pinnacle of both design and utility. Every component, such as a high-pressure shower, a ceramic toilet that uses less water, and a modern sink, is designed to be as pleasant as possible. High-end composite worktops and a large mirror are examples of luxurious amenities. Concealed storage and a state-of-the-art ventilation system that ensures enough air circulation keep toiletries neat and easily accessible. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's kitchen is a gourmet's dream come true. Both style and functionality were considered in the design of this fully equipped kitchen. Include a large stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, a convection oven microwave, a high-capacity refrigerator/freezer, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. Meal preparation is made easier with enough countertop space, and smart cabinets with storage drawers and soft closing mechanisms guarantee that all of your kitchen essentials are kept safe and secure when you travel. With this kitchen, you can cook your favorite dishes wherever you go.